Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Incolorwig. Shout out to you, Incolorwig, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. I have been working with this company recently, and so far, honey, they have not missed, okay? So far, oh girl, the company has not missed, so shout out to you, boo. Okay, so this unit that I am wearing is their Incolorwig Strawberry Blonde Highlight Loose Wave wig with face framing long blonde wig. With face framing long blonde wig. I guess they mean like the face framing highlights in the front. This unit does come in 14 to 24 inches. I am honestly not sure what length I got. I want to say it's probably 24 inches, just judging on where it comes to me. I'm gonna say it's about 24 inches, but I could be wrong, honey. Don't quote me on that. Check the description box just in case, okay? Now, these lengths are all in even numbers. And yeah, let me see if I can find any more details and specs about this unit. Okay, so it says hair color is TL1B427. Now I want to say this, it says 1B427 and the color looks a little different on the site. So I don't know if I just got a different color or what, but these highlights right here are definitely giving me more so 613 than 27. Like I see like 30 and maybe this 27, but this right here is definitely giving me 613. But honey, I'm gonna just tell you what they got on here, good, because I ain't no kind of color expert. But tell me down below what you guys think. Tell me what colors you guys see, because honey, y'all be knowing more than I do, okay? But that's what I see. So it says color TL1B427. It says hair length 12 to 24. Texture loose wave. It's a lace part wig, and we'll get into that a little more in a little bit. It's 150% density. It's an average cap size. It says Swiss lace and medium brown color. And even though this is medium brown, it seems to be blending really good. Because sometimes with me and the medium brown lace, it can be a little too dark. But this one seems to be blending pretty good. It says pre-plucked natural hairline, glueless baby hair around the perimeter. And yeah, the rest is just like blase. Okay. All right, y'all. So I did mention that this is a lace part wig, and I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with y'all. Like the day that I was having, I honestly thought the wig was a frontal. I had completely forgot. It's been a while since I got the unit, so I had kind of forgot, girl. And I was like, Lord, I need to film, but I got a lot going on. And honey, when I took it out and saw it was a lace part, I was like, yes, Jesus, okay. I was like, yes, girl. I needed this lace part, and the fact that it's not only a lace part, it's just like the closure sort of kind. You know, sometimes you can get a lace part wig and the lace goes all the way around the perimeter. Well, with this particular one, it's just right here, and honey, it's just what I needed right now. Okay, I'm just gonna keep it a whole buck, which is just it just gave me what I needed right now. Okay, so I was happy about that. Now, so with the lace part, in case you don't know, with the lace part wig, you cannot part this wig anywhere else, honey. Where she's at is where she at. Now, I will say with this particular lace part wig, you can shift it, but it's gonna be on your ears. You know what I mean? Like when you shift it, this part is probably gonna be on your ears, especially if you have bigger ears like me. So I did go ahead and decide to wear it as is because with these highlights, I just feel like they look really good if they're in the middle. That's just like if you're wearing a middle part. You know, normally I'm a side chick, honey. But with certain wigs, I just really like them in the middle. So that was why I chose to. But you can shift it if you want to. Now, it does say this wig is an average cap size. But in my opinion, it is average to big head friendly. So if you have a bigger head, I feel like you can make this unit work with no issue. Another good thing about this wig is I feel like you can definitely wear it glueless if you want to. I did apply some spray, but I feel like you can really get away with this sort of unit wearing it glueless, so that is always a plus. Now they did also pre-tweeze this unit, which is another plus because a lot of times with the lace part wigs, they do not come pre-tweezed. So as you guys can see, oh girl can't pre-tweeze, and I really like that. I want to say this is the first lace part wig that I got that was pre-tweezed on this level, so I felt like that was definitely an added bonus in my opinion. And as far as shedding and tangling, I honestly haven't noticed any. It did come with these like waves or curls or whatever, but I didn't really notice any tangling and shedding so far. That's not to say, honey, at some point old girl won't do any other things. That's just to say straight out the packaging, she was not doing any other things, okay? So yeah, that is pretty much it. I also want to mention, honey, if it looks a little bulky, it's not the wig, it's me. It's me, okay? I'm in this weird stage with my hair. Child, just know it's me, okay? We ain't gonna even get into that. Just know that bulk is not the wig, girl. It's me, okay? Judge me not, honey. Judge me not. Now, if you're interested in how I feel about this unit as well as the full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all. So honestly, I am really feeling this unit, despite the fact that it looks different than it does on the site. In my opinion, I think that it is a really nice wig. I love the colors, and at first I was like, whoa, you know, when I saw the 613, I was like, whoa, girl, because usually with me, I don't like 613 on really dark hair. Like like this part is what I like to see 613 on, like the four part of it or whatever is what I would like to see 613 on. But honestly, y'all, I'm not mad at it. I like the range of colors, like I just do. But you guys know I'm a color girl, honey. Okay, I'm gonna wear some color. it on. People be like, how do you always get the right wig for your skin complexion? Honey, I'll be knowing. I'll just wear it. I'll just wear it. So yeah, I am definitely feeling this unit. I'm feeling the colors. I like it. And I love the fact that this is a lace part wig because, honey, like I said, sometimes your girl ain't got time to be doing all the things, honey. I just don't have the time to do all the things. I have a lot of stuff out. Okay, these children want to be in the streets, and you know, I want to be in the streets with them because it's summer. You know, it's just a lot going on. Things are easier when it's not summer. So I love a good lace part wig, and I really love the fact that this unit came pre-tweezed, and I feel like it gives it a more natural effect, and it can give the illusion of it being a frontal. You know, your girl don't care what sort of illusion she's giving, but I do feel like it can give the illusion of it being a frontal. Now, the only con with these sort of wigs, at least for me, and maybe you guys can give me some tricks and tips, is right here where that weft is at, or you know, like where the weft starts. You know, it can be a little noticeable. You see what I'm saying? Like, am I making any sense? I've seen people be able to cover them up good, but I always struggle, honey. So if you got any tips and tricks for that, comment down below, let your girl know. And yeah, that is basically it. Once again, shout out to you, Incolorwig, you coming through with the come-through. I appreciate you, honey. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check, then we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know. Oh, I forgot to give you a lint check. Hold on. So this is where the unit comes to me. And remember, I am 5'4". Okay, and this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let me know if you think it's a look. Let me know down below in the comments. I am really interested to know and hear you guys' opinions. Let me know. And yeah, y'all, once again, shout out to you, Incolorwig, for sponsoring this video. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button.